Welcome back to the church project. 4 weeks in. Here is a view of the pump truck and the concrete pour that I got footage of. I didn't get too much. I got a couple pictures. I was only there a couple hours. Just wanted to roughly see the project get done. Up here you can see all the PEX laid out. This is over the foam from the previous video, and it has a mat on top of the foam, and then the PEX is laid out. I don't have a ton of footage of this. I just wanted to get a couple little short clips of it getting poured and, ran out, and pictures of it finished and stuff like that. So here you'll be able to see the bathroom done. This is the laundry room or Airbnb bath or backup bathroom or secondary bathroom. And then this is the main room here. All the PEX laid. You can barely see it. And then this is them pumping the concrete in. And then I got this final view of them just basically floating out the remainder of the kitchen and living room area. And then a few various pictures after this will show where they were pouring. Just took some quick pics and got some final floated out concrete pictures here right after this. I didn't get them with their final glass finishing. I had to go to another job site, but basically it's just quick pictures to show what happened, and then on to the next video to explain the updates. Back here at the church project, see all the concrete's in, finished. Step to go in. This is where obviously the door will go in, and then we have masking tape set up for where there's going to be more framing, or the kitchen layout. So you can see here, this is where the island will be. That's why the rough plumbing's here. Everything's cut. Everything's all done. And then this will be all cabinets all the way down into here. And this will be, I don't know. Actually, I really don't know 100%. This might either be a small pantry or just more banks of like a round cabinet. I really honestly don't know. And then, so I'm here measuring for drywall because got a lot of it here, for the bathrooms and stuff. This will be all framed in too for the boiler room. That's what all this tape's set up, right? And then, so like I was saying earlier, you can see that this is at, normal height now, basically to walk out. And then you go in here, this will be the master. We're gonna have this framed out to where we have like storage up here. We'll put some joists up in there. And we got some storage up there, overhead storage for the master. And then we're gonna drywall over all of this. So we're either gonna just add drywall or just go on top, go on top of everything, or demo it. I'm not really sure yet. This will be the master. This will be the master closet. So you'll have his and hers on either side here. Be really nice. And then the bathroom. That wall on the other side still got to be furred in. Put in. This is all set up, ready for the vanity. Got a good mortar bed. I'm going to show you. This just goes right in now. It's nice and flush. Well, this has got the concrete. This is good to go. It'll be good for the washer and dryer. Toilet. See the thickness of the concrete. Right. All the PEX runs. All good. Looks real good in here. So, yeah, I think that's everything really to update you at this point. I just wanted to get with the rough framing in. Nothing really has changed back in here. The only thing we did is cover this up, and that's on one of the last videos. So this will just end up getting a wall, and this will all get covered. So, because it's a bathroom now. And then this will eventually be, I don't know how far down the road, but this will all be an Airbnb. That's why you have the plumbing here. And what I realized I didn't cover really well on the last video, is explaining how each room has these capped off. So this is your hot and cold water here, right? And then here it's butted together for the in-floor heat. This is your supply and return. So basically, you put another spool of that wire on, or PEX, not wire, spool of that PEX in. So then when you run it in the floor, you have one end connected, obviously, from your supply side. Run it and weave it, make it come back, and then connect to your return, right? And that's how you'll get the same in-floor heat that's in the concrete pad. And same within here. Right over here, we have a supply and return connection right there. So that'll be able to run for in here. Because the bathroom already has its own heat. It's already done. That's in the floor. That's in the pad. All the heat out here, it's all in the pad. So it's all connected. Everything is connected and working. The boiler's been set up and ran and everything. So the hot water, hot and cold over there, you know, so you have your hot water and your cold water right in here, right? Because this will be for your vanity / island, you know, in the kitchen. And then over here, I believe this is actually a connection for, this will be for the garage heat. So that if he ends up doing a layer of concrete in here, like a small layer, like a 3-foot or a 3-inch pour, he'll have garage heat. So the door will either be on this side or over here. And then that way, when he pours his new pad, he can actually have in-floor garage heat also that works off the same boiler system. So, but yeah, I mean, that's everything that I can think of here. Just more framing updates is more or less all it is starting to kind of see it. And then next video will be more drywall and closer to finishing. Really wanted to get pictures in here and status update on all this. So, yep, that's everything. One more look in here. I don't know if I got everything. Yep, it's framed in. Yeah, I got everything. So, but yeah, like I was saying too in here. So, this will be an Airbnb kitchen eventually, right? So we'll end up putting a doorway here. This is the main living space. So this will be the guest bath with the laundry. That'll be a wall. This will be shut off from everybody else. And then this entrance will be the Airbnb. So either this will be the living room and then this will be the kitchen with a 1-bedroom kind of thing. Or we'll put another wall here and do kind of, yeah, probably, they're probably going to end up having to do that. They'll probably have to do 1 bedroom. And then like a living space with a kitchen here. And then, you know, somewhat of a, you know, like how the TV's mounted here, for instance, like a couch here, like a small living area here, and then like a dining table or something. Not really going to be able to frame in another whole bedroom over there. But yeah, I mean, this is where they would come out. So, you know, you got dual income with that, or, you know, an extra income source, so you're living here. And then the roof's good. That's going to go. They'll eventually do windows. These are going to be basically removed because they're not going to use them. They're going to end up doing a split unit down the road. And then we're going to paint the brick. But, you know, all stuff a little bit at a time. Just want to get video progress of everything as much as possible. Little stepping stones. So, yeah, I mean, you can see it's just storage and stuff right now because it's an ongoing project. Well, all right. Thanks for watching.